Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic future tenses in English. Introduction to future tenses. Future tenses express action that will happen later. Examples include will going to, present continuous and present simple and with future time markers. Future simple tense. The future simple tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. It's formed with will plus base verb. Form will plus verb. Example, I will eat dinner at 7 p.m. Example, I will travel. I will visit my parents next weekend. She will call you when she gets home. They won't be late for the meeting. Be going to. Use be going to talk about plans and arrangements that have already been made. Form am is are plus going to plus verb. Example, I am going to visit my parents this weekend. We are going to have a barbecue on Saturday. My train is going to leave in 10 minutes. Future perfect tense. Future perfect is used to express completed actions in the future before another action. From will have plus verb. For example, I will have finished my work by 5 p.m. Future perfect progressive tense. Future perfect progressive expresses the idea of an action that will have been taking place continuously up until a certain time in the future. Form will have been plus verb ing. For example, I will have been working for 2 years by the time I graduate. Future continues. Use the future continues to talk about something that will happening at a specific time in the future. Form will be plus verb ing. For example, I will be working on this project all day tomorrow. Future perfect continues. Use the future perfect continues to talk about how long something will have been happening by a specific time in the future. Form will have been plus verb ing. For example, I will have been living in this city for 5 years by the end of next year. Modal verbs. Use modal verbs for the future to express possibility, willingness, or intention. Modal verbs for the future. May, possibility. Might, less possibility than may. Could, possibility but with doubt or hesitation. Will, willingness or intention. Shall, more formal than will. For examples, I may go to the cinema tonight. It might rain tomorrow. I could help you with your homework. I will go to the dentist next week. Shall we have dinner? Thank you for allowing me to share my knowledge on future tenses in English. I hope it was informative and helpful for your language learning journey. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.